Welcome to this tutorial on generating creative prompts using VizPrompts. Are you a content creator, marketer, or simply looking to spark new ideas? Then VizPrompts is for you. This video will guide you through its powerful features, helping you transform videos and images into compelling prompts. By the end, you'll be able to effortlessly generate engaging content ideas for your projects. VizPrompts is an innovative platform that leverages AI to extract key concepts, emotions, and visual cues from your uploaded videos and images, turning them into unique and actionable prompts. It's designed to overcome creative blocks and inspire fresh perspectives. VizPrompts bridges the gap between existing visual content and new creative ideas. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can feed it a video or an image, and it will generate a rich set of descriptive prompts that you might not have thought of otherwise. This can be incredibly useful for brainstorming, storyboarding, or even developing marketing campaigns. Let's start with one of VizPrompts' most exciting features, generating prompts from videos. This is perfect for capturing the essence of a moving story or a dynamic event. To begin, simply navigate to the video upload section. Click the Upload Video button and select your desired file. VizPrompts supports various video formats, making it easy to get started. VizPrompts analyzes your video frame by frame, identifying key moments, objects, and emotions. It then provides time-coded prompts, allowing you to pinpoint the exact scene that inspired a particular idea. You can also filter prompts by themes, objects, or even sentiment. For example, uploading a travel vlog might generate prompts like the awe of mountain vistas at sunset, the bustling energy of a local market, or the serene reflection of a lakeside cabin. These prompts can be used to write blog posts, social media captions, or even inspire new video content. Next, let's explore how VizPrompts can generate compelling prompts from static images. This is ideal for photographers, designers, or anyone working with visual assets. Similar to videos, uploading an image is straightforward. Click the Upload Image button, choose your file, and VizPrompts will quickly process it. It supports common image formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF. VizPrompts analyzes the visual elements within your image, including colors, objects, scenes, and even the implied mood. It then generates descriptive prompts that can help you craft narratives or expand on visual themes. You can also refine these prompts based on specific keywords. Consider uploading a photograph of a cityscape. VizPrompts might generate prompts such as the quiet solitude of a city street at dawn, the vibrant reflections on a rain-slicked pavement, or the intricate patterns of urban architecture. These can spark ideas for short stories, art projects, or marketing copy. To get the most out of VizPrompts, here are a few tips. Experiment with different types of visual content. Use the filtering options to narrow down your results, and combine multiple prompts to create richer ideas. Don't be afraid to tweak the generated prompts to better fit your creative vision. For best results, upload high-quality videos and images. The clearer the visual data, the more insightful the generated prompts will be. Also, regularly save your favorite prompts for future reference and explore the community features for inspiration from other users. Once you have your prompts, the real fun begins. Use them as starting points for writing, concept art, marketing campaigns, or even product development. Let the generated ideas challenge your thinking and push the boundaries of your creativity. Remember, these are jumping-off points. Your unique interpretation is what truly brings them to life. In conclusion, VizPrompts is a powerful tool designed to ignite your creativity and streamline your content generation process. We've seen how it can effortlessly generate prompts from both videos and images, providing detailed and contextual ideas that save you time and spark new inspirations. From overcoming creative blocks to developing new content strategies, VizPrompts is your ultimate creative partner. Ready to transform your visual content into endless creative possibilities? Visit our website today and start generating your first prompts. Sign up for a free trial or explore our premium features.